Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
Start by identifying why the footage shakes. Are you walking, handheld, or on a bumpy surface? Once done, lower shutter to roughly 1/2 to 1/3 of your frame rate to smooth motion blur. Make sure stabilization is active. Switch on in-body or lens stabilization, or mount a simple lens stabilizer. Use both hands, tuck elbows into your ribs. These first moves immediately reduce high-frequency jitter and give you cleaner frames to work with in the next steps. Now refine your technique. Adopt a 3-point hold or use a shoulder rig so the camera has stable contact points. If you have a gimbal, balance the camera carefully, then activate follow modes. This reduces large swings and preserves smooth pans. Walk with knees bent and take small steps, pivoting from the hips rather than your arms. Make sure to keep your subject centered so the stabilization system has consistent reference. These middle steps convert reduced micro-jitters into stable, cinematic motion. Finish by addressing any remaining shake in post. Apply software stabilization with moderate smoothness and, if necessary, crop 5 to 10% to hide edge warping. Make sure not to oversmooth the image. Preserve some natural motion to avoid jello effects. If you still see wobble, stop and inspect mounts, tighten loose screws, or rebalance your gimbal, those hardware fixes solve most persistent problems. One troubleshooting tip: if stabilization creates warble, reduce strength.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.